It's go time. Let's get started. Well, welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today, I'm going to take you along with a little project I got going on for up at my hunting camp. I'm making some homemade coat hooks. Yeah, homemade. I tried to go to the store and buy some half-decent coat hooks over the last so many years. It's very difficult to find any that are half-decent, especially when you're having a bunch of guys that have big, heavy jackets, you know, full of shells and God knows what else in there. You go and hang them up and yeah, they just bend, snap. They're, you know, like everything is wing-wang today. You want something done? You do it yourself. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm starting off with this steel. It's 1/8, just regular cold rolled steel. 1/8 thick, 1 inch wide, and I'm cutting them all to 6 inches long. I'm going to take you along. I'm going to show you how I do it. And it's not pretty, it isn't fancy, but this is the way I roll. Okay, here's the steel right here, nothing fancy. All I'm going to do is just take the rough edges off it and put nice little curve on the corners so it doesn't cut anything. Let's get to it. Okay, onto the belt sander. Let's get to her. Let's go over to the drill press. Okay, so what we're going to do here, we're just going to pound a couple of holes through here. Nothing fancy. They don't got to be in the exact same spot, but we're just going to fire them right in there. Okay, I'll bring you back when I change the bit over and we're going to countersink the holes. Okay, let's just fire in a couple of countersinks on here and away we go. There we go. Let's go over to the pipe bender now. Okay, I got you set up as good as I can there to show you exactly what's going on. And this is my my tube bender that I've showed you before, pipe bender, whatever kind of bender. I'll put a link down below to show a better example of this in the past. But I've got two of these pieces here. I'll do both of them. And of course, you have to put the pieces that are finished with the countersinks in facing this side, and you'll see why. And it's just as easy as just bending this. Guys, this is so easy. And we'll just take her along here and just wrap her all the way around. And it'll just bounce right off the end here when she's done. There. So, there's one right there. That's not too bad, eh? So you could see how that's going to be. And we'll just do another one just to show you. So I've got my set here, and that's just roughly 4 inches from here to here, and then the total length is 6. So I've got roughly a 2-inch curl going around. So now we'll just bend another one. And she'll just bounce off the end here. There. There she is there, guys. That's it. That's as easy it is to do. And you tell me if that's not going to be heavy duty. Well, how did you like that? I'll start off from the beginning here. When I picked up, this morning I went to my steel store and I picked up a 12-footer of this. So this is a 6-footer and I used 6 feet already. And I've done a whole bunch of them here. Guys, the whole time for me to do all this, I've been out here roughly 45 minutes to do the whole thing, including filming and everything. And this is what I got here, guys. And all you're going to do is next time you see these, I'm going to paint them. And you can see that I'm just going to put screws in the wall for that. Hang them up like this. Guys, this will last a lifetime and a lot better than you can possibly buy in the store. These will be heavy duty. Now, I did try different lengths. I tried a 5-inch. Guys, the 5-inch was actually too small, but I am going to go with it anyways. I'm just going to keep this one. I can use that, no problem. And here's another one here, another example. So I did try a couple first just to make sure. I had to figure out what kind of length I wanted on them. And so far it's worked out great. So that's how easy it is to do. The little metal bender here is just terrific. And you know, I like using it. So I figure by the time I'm finished this whole vid and everything, I'll have an hour into this and I'll have all these done. And the next time you see these, they're going to be all painted and they're going to be installed up at the camp. So thanks for joining me here today. I hope you like this little bit of a working project. And I think I'd like to see you know, more people on YouTube actually tackle some of this stuff, because you know what, if you had to go to the store and buy something even comparable, you're talking easy $10 a piece. I've tried to look for some half decent hooks and guys, I can't find nothing. Like I say, it's a wing wang fest out there going in the stores and I'm tired of wing wang. So thanks for joining me here today. Come back again if you haven't seen this channel before. Well, you're welcome to subscribe. Cheers, guys.